get it. Let's get it. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What the fuck? Where them planes come from, bro? Oh hell no. Nah, bro. Chill.
Now you look better.
This motherfucking stick up.
Now,
Run your pockets, nigga.
Would you like to? Because it's foot.
Chill. You gotta chill, bro. I want all this shit right now, man. I want all of it right fucking now. Give me all your damn money. You don't got money? You don't got nothing? Hey man, I don't got nothing. I swear to God, I don't got nothing. I don't got nothing on them. Look. All I got is a ring pop. And I don't got nothing else in my pocket. I swear. I don't even got a chain on, bro. Like come on now. You don't got a chain either? You bugging. Alright. When I come back, you best have some shit, bro. You best have some shit. Alright? Playing with me, dog. Alright, bro. I swear to God, next time you come back, I got you. I will have money, chains, all that. Anything, bro. Just put my hands down, okay? Just don't point that gun at me. Cause I'm scared of guns, you know. But yeah, just don't do that. I'll put this shit to your ass. I'll pull the trigger right now. Alright, bro. I'm sorry, bro. My bad, bro. I'm sorry. Please don't pull the trigger. I'll have anything you want next time. Please don't kill me. Yeah, you best have all the shit when I come back. Chains, money, all of that. I want all of that next time I come back. Alright? Bitch. Stupid ass nigga. Stop playing with me, ho. I'll have your shit when you come back, bro. But I got one thing to say. Man, it's your ugly ass, your long body, dope that boy, long neck ass, having that boy. Stop playing your big football field ass, shake that forehead. Stop playing me, ugly ass dude, L fast boy. Stop playing me. You got one sandal on. Stop playing with me, dog. With your ugly ass, bitch. You probably can't even pull bitches, y'all stupid ass boy. Stop playing with me. Damn, shit, nigga, chill. I'll smack shit out you. Fuck your stupid ass boy, stop playing with me. Oh, stupid ass nigga, stop playing, stupid ass nigga, fuck you, hoe bye. That's why I fucked your mama, bitch, stop playing. Boom! Stop playing with me, stupid ass nigga, stop playing with me, yo. Yeah, stop playing with me, nigga. Fuck is you talking about, boy? I'll rob your ass next time, boy. You dead, so fuck you, nigga.